I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins, the opening market minute for Monday, September 29th. Soybeans and corn are lower to start the session, expecting the USDA to report pretty solid week-to-week U.S. harvest progress in the weekly numbers out this afternoon. And many in the trade do expect generally good harvest progress over the next several days, maybe even into mid-October, thanks to a generally warm, dry weather pattern across much of the Midwestern plains. Mexico and unknown destinations did buy U.S. corn this morning, but there are a lot of concerns about supply. Meanwhile, soybeans continue to be disappointed by the lack of any progress in trade talks between the United States and China. Wheat is mixed, mostly weak. Chicago and Kansas City are watching U.S. winter wheat planting activity, expecting generally good progress in much of the region over the past few days. Meanwhile, Minneapolis is consolidating a little bit with the spring wheat harvest essentially over. The trade's getting ready for the weekly crop progress and condition numbers this afternoon, and also the USDA's quarterly grain stocks and small grain summary, which are out on Tuesday the 30th. After that, though, USDA reports get a little bit more questionable with a potential government shutdown on October 1st. Live cattle are mixed, watching the distribution of this week's direct cash cattle show list. Mostly firm, though, despite another round of lower direct trade in many of the major feeding areas last week. Meanwhile, feeders are up on this lower start for corn. And hogs are mixed, mostly higher. Pork was lower on Friday, but contracts are at a discount to cash, and the trade does expect some demand improvements, and in any event, supplies are tight. With the opening market minute for Monday, September 29th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.